hi le makumu a hi se tluriwa n'wana mhani vhakelani diamond
Aye, namukela kambe ka Master Xitsonga analyst. Channel, oh, of course, of course, like as you can see on the title, yeah, very somehow like linka, Gagashi man, yeah, guys, I was tankari, yeah, it's very, it's my kashkokwane. Yeah, you see on a diamond walk. Yeah, now of course, kutangero ko birthday. Yako kwanchao ke vara makadi. Lo Google se khale nanga seta 6 months ago. Ngina ro talo Google ka solo. Se khale nyana. Vara makadi wa. Yeah, so e jona yi review vele I make a video clip.
Langa ta vumba swona 46.
As you've heard, so Kanjawi Daikai Koma 45 years of age, as you've heard the Galan. So Shologo, overall, Mukarlio Tara Agova V Tunjil, Ngabulo Agorukwan, Agova V, the Kokon guys, maybe from 15. Yeah, around 50 or 60. Yeah, you can debate below, but I don't think 40. As yeah, I think like a 50. Yeah, I'm on a 50. Yeah, from 50. Yeah, 55, 60. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I have a case class as Kokwan and stuff like that. Mama Makos command should catch from Bakash already because no recording 7. Vanhu swi tikomba va humini hi xitalo ka this VIP section ku ta va ta supporta na vo the big animal va rhambiwini hi vona security there, so security ya straight. I respect the animal. Ya hi vanhu vo tiva ntirho.
Hi le ka birthday ya kokwanchauke ku furu n'wana mhani swa ku kokwanchauke
As you can see, I did swa swicele man. Ya vanhu va humini komba va humini on khan cheka la to support the birthday. Yeah, tanizwi swona ku very ani swa depend na maxavelo ya vanhu, so you never know mga ku nga profit yi ndleka. It depends on many factors very na swikhwama swa vanhu, but how swilo swi komba swi kha swi famba kahle ni kha ni swi cheka la. Yeah, it's good. And by the way, kokwani Chauke yi share birthday na Gagash. Who would have known about this? Somehow I share a birthday, which is a bit crazy, nyana. In a good way, very. Because even now, of course, we trend very they are prominent like Gazin, as you can see. Yeah, so go on to very if you post up on who is the Lawrence account here. And you should have some check so see posted the hala. Okay, if you get a birthday, me and Maspara wa me, yeah, by the way, as you can see, Gucci. Yeah, sure, got it on some show. Unchunika county on a Lewan, got out in our county, I don't know what's happening here. Yeah. Ja, så Scottish and work out bed there. Yeah, and then it's like Gagash very when I think you highlight the area we said that yeah, Shashkipasha Gucci, as you can see, while I'm done shown as a birthday gift. Skipasha 2000. as I've seen. Xikipa xexiwa i 32,000, which is crazy. Lexi a nga xi mbala that's way. Swilo swa durha swilo swa gaga xi as you can see so swi tikomba vu 32 master T marexa ni voni swi tikomba vu 32 but a ni voni swi tikomba vu 32 ku lola ntiyiso compared to leswi a nga na swona wena mhaka leyi but yeah okay and for lexi a ni kaneta the original price I'm just saying ku ni twi na ka swi match ngopfu na the price a ni ri wa vulavula ka vulavuriwa guys a swilo leswi chavisaka and stuff like that so hi leswo guys yeah it's good video kha hela hi leswi loko ri amukeza subscribe a ni ta kombela mi klika subscribe kunjhani Bliss Boy na ku xi ta tikisa na xilo lexi
Bye bye,